Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Mac model and that it's running OS X 10.8.5. This tells you upgrade paths and compatibility. Once done, create a full-time machine backup or a bootable clone so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Make sure your Mac is plugged into power and connected to a stable network. Then open Software Update or download Apple's OS X Combo Updater for 10.8.5 to install small fixes before the major upgrade. Now run the 10.8.5 Combo Updater or all pending software update items. This consolidates fixes and prep system components for a larger upgrade. After the installer finishes, restart and open Disk Utility to repair permissions and verify the boot volume. That reduces installer failures. Next, update critical apps and firmware, especially third-party kernel extensions and boot utilities, because outdated drivers often block upgrade. Proceed to run the downloaded Mac OS installer or boot from a USB installer. Choose Upgrade to keep files or Clean Install if you want a fresh system. Follow prompts, allow the Mac to restart several times, and be patient. Large upgrades take time. After installation, verify apps and privacy settings, then reinstall any unsupported drivers. If the Mac won't boot or installer fails, boot into recovery, run Disk Utility, reset NVRAM and SMC, and restore from your Time Machine backup if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.